Hi everyone, welcome back to the playlist. In this video, we're covering the numbered list macro. If you want a styled, visually polished numbered list with color, format, and layout options that the standard Confluence editor doesn't give you, this is the macro you'll use. Here's the issue with standard Confluence numbered lists. They're functional, but completely plain. Every list looks the same. There's no easy way to change the color, the number style, or the shape of the markers without custom CSS. The biggest problem is presentation. For process documentation, step-by-step guides or ranked content, a plain list doesn't carry enough visual weight to guide the reader's attention. So instead of settling for a plain list, let's build one that actually looks the part with full styling control. That's exactly what the numbered list macro does. It lets you create a styled numbered list where you control the numbering format, marker color, visual variation, and corner style. You add each item individually, choose how it looks, and the preview updates in real time. So you can see exactly what readers will see before you publish. Now let's do the full workflow. Insert the macro, add items, style the list, publish, and view the result. Step 1, click Edit to open the page in edit mode. Open the page where you want the numbered list to appear. This could be a process document, a how-to guide, or any page where ordered steps matter. Next, we'll insert the numbered list macro exactly where the steps should appear. Step 2, click Insert, plus, or type a / to open the macro browser. Search for numbered list and add it to the page. The configuration panel opens with a live preview showing your list as you build it. Once it's inserted, we'll add the list items first, then customize the numbering and appearance. Step 3, start by clicking Add a List Item to create your first entry. Now move to numbering. You have 3 format options: standard numerals, alphabetical, and Roman numerals. Next, configure the appearance. Outlined gives bordered markers with no fill. Plain shows the numbers with no shape around them for a clean, minimal look. Watch the preview update as you make each change. You're seeing the exact output before publishing. Choose the one that fits your content. Type your item text in the field that appears, .click. Add a list item, again, to keep adding items, 1 per step or point. List is built and styled. Now let's publish and see it on the page. Publish and result. Click Save, then update the page. Now in view mode, your numbered list renders exactly as configured. You'll see styled markers, your chosen color, and clean formatting that stands out from a standard Confluence list. Need to add a step or change the order? Reopen the macro, update the items, save, and republish. The list updates instantly. So the problem was, standard numbered lists are useful, but plain and hard to customize. And the solution is, the numbered list macro gives you a fully styled numbered list with control over format, color, and appearance, directly inside Confluence without custom code. That's it for the numbered list macro. See you in the next video.